So today we came out to Knife River hiking trail, which is just between Duluth and Two Harbors off of 61. It's a 5-mile plus trail rated as easy. I figured I'd do an easy trail this weekend after the one last weekend. Keep the knees feeling a little better maybe. But so far it's been kind of a pretty trail. Knife River. A lot of rivers on the North Shore here. I think I have to retire the Vikings hat. It's gotten pretty dirty off the last few hikes, so I gotta wear my safari hat here. Keep the sun off my ears, otherwise they burn something fierce. Not to mention the balding forehead. So I had to buy a new day pack this week. Just a little Walmart cheapie. Outdoor products. 29 liter. But the reason for it is 3 weeks ago I went down to the REI store in the Twin Cities to buy a new backpack and then lightweight tent and sleeping pad. While I was down there, somebody decided to help himself into my house and walked off with my old day pack, which happened to have my stabilizer for my phone and my Maverick Mini in it. back when I was a teenager. My Uncle Larry at the time belonged to the Lake Superior Steelhead Association, and he rounded himself, myself, a bunch of other guys, and my dad. We actually came through here and cleaned up a lot of the deadfalls and brush and stuff that was in this river, so that the wild rainbow trout or the steelhead could actually come up and spawn. Like I say, that was back when I was maybe 14, 15. Damn near 40 years ago now. So it definitely wasn't the toughest trail that I've done all year, but it was still pretty. And a nice length for a morning of hiking. I'll put some footage from yesterday's little fishing adventure in the video at the end. Stick around and watch it if you want. Don't if you don't. Once again, everybody, appreciate you watching, taking the time to comment and like. And until next time, hope everybody takes care and stays safe out there.
That I just can't deny, giving me the best.
Okay, one more, boy. We're gonna throw you off the damn boat. What is that, number 4 now? Or 3? 3 walleye and 1 northern?
3 walleye, 1 northern, yeah.
First you gotta make up for your dad's 0.
Okay.
And my 1.